Hello babes, and welcome to a new video here on my channel. If you don't know me, maybe you're new here, my name is Evelina. I do a lot of hair videos, makeup videos, and stuff. Today I am going to show you guys how I do my bleach baths. That's hard to say for a sweet like me. Bleach baths is something that I just like last year heard about for the first time, and I actually think it was some of you guys watching my videos that asked me or ordered me to do a bleach bath, because I always bleach my hair just when I wanna like rinse out the color, which is totally unnecessary to do a full bleach on your hair. So a bleach bath, if you don't know, is a way to strip out the color of your hair without damaging it as much as doing a full bleach. As you guys can see, my hair is blue. Not just a little blue, it's a lot of blue going on. Turquoise, I guess. I dyed my hair gray. You guys can see that video up here. And this is how it looks after only 3 washes. And my hair was completely silver when I started, so it was a lot of blue tones in this gray hair color, but I kind of had that coming, didn't I? So we are going to do a bleach bath today, because in a few days I'm going to dye my hair another color, which I'm so excited about, and you guys actually chose the color already on my Instagram. Also, I want to put some on my roots, just to lighten them a little bit for the next dye. All right, so you need a bowl of some sort. I love these ones from Arctic Fox. I also have the Arctic Fox brush. And then in Sweden, it's not really common to use like just powder bleach and the activator peroxide, is it called that? I don't know. We usually just buy box dyes, and I know it's common everywhere, but in Sweden I think it's even more common, kind of, not really sure. Either way, I love these ones from the Pen. They are cruelty free and they are vegan, and I use them all the time. So in that package you actually get 2, not that one, powder bleaches and 1 of these jojoba activators. Here we go. And let's try and get the most out of it. There you go, you can see. And then we put in the powder. I'm just gonna mix it a little bit like that. All right, and then I just eyeball how much I have in this bowl, and I put in some stripping shampoo. Pretty much any shampoo, but this one from the Body Shop I absolutely love, but it is a anti-dandruff shampoo, so it does strip away the color faster than some others. So I'm gonna put that in. I feel like this is so weird to do, but this is how you do it and it works. So I just put in pretty much like half of what I have in here. Can you guys see? Yeah. And I just mix this in. When I did this the first time, I felt like I was doing something like illegal, putting bleach with anything else than peroxide or the thing that you put in it, activator thingy. I felt like it was so wrong and so scary to do, but whatever. Next step that I'm going to do is I'm going to put in some Olaplex. I don't really know if this is even necessary to do, because this is very gentle to your hair, but I have it at home, so I'm just gonna put in a little bit of that to prevent damage. So here we have it. I'm just gonna part my hair a little bit. I'm not that precise. I was gonna say I'm never precise when it comes to dyeing or bleaching or doing anything to my hair, but I'm just gonna do it like this, and I'm gonna put up this as well. No. Oh, you know what? I'm actually going to change my shirt. Okay, you know what? I'm not gonna change my shirt. I'm just gonna take it off. Now I'm gonna put on some gloves. And I'm just gonna put this mixture into my head. I hate that sound. I don't really know if you should skip your roots first, but that's what I usually try and do when I bleach my hair as normal, so I'm just gonna do that now as well. I don't really have any rush, so. I don't know if you guys can see this, but here it's already starting to strip so much of it. Whoops. Oh well. And as you guys can see, I'm taking like huge chunks of my hair, but it's just because I know it's going to strip away the most of the color anyways, and also I know what color I'm gonna dye, so I'm not really scared that it won't work out, you know? I just massage it into my hair, and that way I can feel if it's everywhere, you know? I hope that you guys can see it's starting to be blonde here. Do you guys have any like horror stories from when you bleached your hair? Because bleach can be just so strong sometimes, and when I was younger and still lived with my dad, I bleached my hair. I think it was for a video actually. I don't know if I told you when I did the video, but yeah, it was a long time ago. But when I bleached my hair, I fainted because I breathed in so much of the toxics, I guess. I can still feel it like sometimes, but it is so strong sometimes. I feel like my eyes also, they hurt, but that's what you gotta do to be pretty, I guess. It's actually kind of scary when you think about it. Can you guys see where I put some bleach on my roots? I'm just gonna do this last part, and then I'm right after going to put the bleach on my roots. And there we go. Now I'm gonna wait for half an hour or something, and then I'm gonna rinse it out, and then I will be back so you guys can see how much it faded. Ding, 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 ding. It has been 30 minutes, and I just wanted to show you guys how it looks before I rinse it. As you guys can see, my roots are bright yellow and this is now how the blue looks. All right, here we go. As you guys can see, it is pretty much blonde all over. It's like these two pieces that are a bit greenish still, but it's going to be perfect for my next shade. I am now gonna use the Dream Coat from Color Wow, which is my absolute like obsession right now. It makes your hair look so beautiful. And then you guys, this is not a collaboration, but I will have a collaboration with this product on my Instagram, but I just have to include it here as well, because now when I have bleached my roots, and my roots are a bit like sensitive, I feel. I've had problem with that my like entire hair journey. When I bleach my hair, my roots do get, or my scalp I should say, do get a bit sensitive, and it can hurt, it can itch. This new product from The Body Shop, the Ginger Scalp Serum, so fucking good. What I do, I just take a little bit of it and I just put it in my roots. This is how I usually do it. I just put it in here and then I pull out. So good. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of that all over. And there we go. Now I'm gonna blow dry my hair while listening to a podcast. Hello? How is this even possible? And also, how is my hair this long? What? I feel like it was like a few months ago when I cut it to here. It's long, right? To be honest, I hate this length. I hate it so much. I want it to be here, or to my belly button. This bleach bath really does everything that I wanted to do, and it also bleaches my roots perfectly because my hair is already blonde, so I don't really need to bleach it that much. This is great for minimal damage. Maybe there's another way to do it, but for me this is perfect, and I feel like my hair can really take it. My hair can take anything, I feel like, but it's really minimal damage and I can really tell. Hope you guys enjoyed. Please give me a like and comment down below something fun. Subscribe if you wanna. It would be fun if you did. Also check out my vlogging channel if you want to see more vlogs from my life. Have a great day, guys, and love you. Have a great day. Bye.